Hey everyone, so let's take a look at this new viral AI app called Arch. So Arch AI home design app. So this is the one. This is the top AI interior design app out there, at least in the United States. As you can see, it's really getting really high in the charts in the graphics and design. It's a really well made app, and yeah, I just wanted to show you how it looks like. There is also Remodel AI interior design app, and there are a bunch of others. But yeah, here it is. AI home design, interior and exterior design. Replace your furniture with AI, and then you can just bring and generate some nice AI ideas with this app. Transform your space with AI home design. Are you tired of imagining how your room could look like with a different style? Wish you could instantly visualize various interior design options without the hassle of manual rearrangement? Look no further. AI interior design is here to revolutionize the way you transform your living spaces. And with AI interior design, you can now effortlessly bring your design dreams to life using artificial intelligence. So yeah, that's the app. As you can see here in this app, what you can do, you can just open it up, and there is also some nice deals which you can get just when you open the app. There is special offer 30% off, which you can get. And then yeah, so that's just what you have here. You can redesign interior, exterior, you can create space, you can so for example interior, and then you just need to add a photo of your room. So for example, if I just take just as an example, just random bedroom, and then I just tap continue, and then you say, okay, this is bedroom. And then you just choose your preferred design style. There it can be like minimalistic, farmhouse, modern, then fall serenity, tropical, mid-century, Japanese, industrial. So for example, let's select industrial. Then you select color palette. There are different trending palettes here. You can also tap to surprise me. And then this app is just using and then as you can see, that's like the previous, and then you can see some nice idea of like industrial bedroom. And then also you can, there are some styles which require pro subscription. There are some styles which don't. And for example, if I tap farmhouse, also if I want to remove watermark, I need to upgrade. So here you can see to remove watermarks, you need to pay. There's the Prime. And then, for example, I can just tap to regenerate. It's cool that I can regenerate all this stuff for free. And then I regenerate it like this. So yeah, this is kind of pretty close, right? So it's taking the direction of the bed, like the furniture idea. Like it takes the angle that there is a chair. So yeah, it's it's getting quite close. Obviously, this is not perfect, but yeah, that's what you have here. Then you can just give feedback. You can save, publish, share, delete, and that's what you have here. So then you can just explore. Then every user receives a fixed number of credits each day. Once you use up your credits, you will need to wait for them to be replenished or upgrade to a pro subscription. So here you just have number of credits. And then, after these credits are gone, I guess you basically need to buy a subscription. So I just, generated 2 images for free. So I used like 1 credit for that. So that's what you have here. And then, yeah, so here it is. That's where you have it in this app. There is no referrals. There is no invite codes at the moment. So, yep, here you can see some nice trending designs. from other people. App is super easy to use. You can see your own history. You can just share it and publish like on Instagram. So yeah, and then also the cool feature is that you can just replace any part of your space. So you can select any part of your space and then just write it exactly like